Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Something fishy.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box. Look, Kit, fishing poles.
I love fishing.
Then let's go to Camp Leafy.
And fish in Lake Hiawatha.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and hurried over to Camp Leafy, where they met up with the other campers. Welcome to Bunk Butternut.
Thanks. Which way to Lake Hiawatha?
We wish to fish.
I'll put it on the schedule. But first, there's volleyball, then bicycling. Then you can go fishing. Bunk Butternut campers always stick together.
I don't want to wait to fish.
I'm bored.
I know how we can have fun. We'll play tricks on the ducks. We'll get it. Here, hold this. I'll paint this melon so it looks like a volleyball.
Sweet! I found it! That's a splat! Snack time! Just ran out. Sorry.
And that's a flat.
Finally, it's fishing time.
We've been waiting all day for this.
Here's bread for bait.
Perfect. The fish will come to eat and we'll catch them.
I caught a fish. It must be huge.
Hey, me too. Let's reel him in. A boot?
A tire?
That's not funny. I quit Bunk Butternut.
Our day's ruined.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's wrong, kiddies?
The ducks played a mean trick on us.
They knew we wanted to go fishing more than anything, and they spoiled our fun.
That's awful. Why would they do that? Did you play any tricks on them?
Well, yeah, but they were funny.
We gave them a melon instead of a ball.
And took the air out of their bike tires.
Sounds to me like you spoiled their fun.
I guess the ducks just did the same thing to us as we did to them.
Now I understand. You shouldn't do anything to anyone that you wouldn't want them to do to you. Thanks, Dad.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kit. But this time we won't be mean and spoil the ducks' fun.
Right. We'll try to make them feel good and not bad. Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their camp adventure all over again. But this time, instead of ruining the ducks' fun, they made things even better.
Here, we got this special ball for you.
We used wood from the art shack to make a cool camp ramp.
And when it was time for Kit and Kate to go fishing, the ducks brought along all the bread they could find.
Thanks!
I bet we catch a lot of fish now.
You know what? I think the fish would have more fun if we just fed them instead of catching them.
Hey, ducks! Can you take this bread to the fish? The fish look happy. I'm glad we called off the catch.
And now we can catch a ride.
So Kit and Kate discovered that if you treat everyone the way you want to be treated, you can all have a great time together.
Go! Go, fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitty, kitties, let's go. Kit, where's my stuffed lamb?
Is this it, Kate?
That's a giraffe.
Oh, I thought maybe it was a lamb with a really long neck. Is this it?
That's an octopus.
Or maybe a lamb disguised as an octopus.
I found it!
Hey, let's make up a story.
About a lamb
Who lost her hat?
that had a big fluffy pom-pom on top.
Great. What should we call it?
I got it! The right Fluff.
Once upon a time, there was a little lamb who lost her hat.
She was very upset because it was her lucky hat.
And ever since she lost it, everything was going wrong.
First, she tripped.
Over a turtle.
Oh!
Then something fell on her head.
It was a giant walnut. It didn't hurt. No, but then it started raining.
Raining pickles? Just kidding. It wasn't raining pickles, but it was raining hard.
Oh, what a disaster!
But then the little lamb met...
2 traveling musicians.
Yeah, we can be the musicians.
La 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 la. Go, kitty kitties, let's go!
Everywhere we travel, people like our singing. They really love to listen to the music we are bringing. We sang our songs in Arkansas, we've sung in Timbuktu. Did you see my hat? I lost my lucky hat. Don't worry, we'll help you find it. But it's hopeless. It could be any place in the entire world. Any place in the entire universe.
You've got a big problem.
But we got a big song that might help.
We met a lamb
Who lost her hat?
Imagine that she lost her hat. Now think of the place where you were last, and then we'll step into the past.
Yeah, we can find your hat if we take things one step at a time. I heard a noise that went boom, boom, boom.
A cannon factory?
No. A disco? No. Now I remember. A drum store. I love drums.
Me too, but your hat's not here. We'll just have to keep on looking. So think of the place you were before, and we'll go back a little more.
I saw the color red.
A cardinal convention?
No. A tomato toss? No. I got it. It was a rose garden. No hat here.
I hope we find it soon. The space is heavy. Then think of the place you were before this, then maybe you'll find that thing that you miss.
I remember. There was splashing water.
A waterfall?
No. A bathtub. No. I've got it. I was doing dishes. It was steamy and hot. I took off my hat to cool off and put it right... Hey, here it is. My hat. Now that I have my lucky hat back, things are gonna be great. Watch out. Whoa. I sure am glad I tripped over that turtle. What a great sound! I love drums! Yay! Rain! Let's go play in the puddles!
As long as she's happy.
So the little lamb finally found her lucky hat.
Because a big problem isn't so big.
When you take it one step at a time.
One more lucky hat.
Now how about that?